Everyone is familiar with SD cards. It is used in many digital products, also known as memory cards. When you use it, you will find. When you insert it, it will automatically be stuck inside. Then press it again and it pops out. Are you curious? How does it work? Since all memory cards are inserted into electronic devices, you can't see how the internal structure locks and pops up. It's a very simple and ingenious design. Here's an animation that shows how it works. To clear up your confusion, inside the device, where the memory card sits, there's a slot. And on top of that, there's a detachment block. When the card is inserted, it pushes the separator forward, and the spring is stretched. At the same time, the hook moves along the groove of the separator. When the hook reaches the upper corner of the separator will be immobilized. Since there is a slot on the side of the SD card, when pushing the separator, the lower tabs will pop up into the slot of the SD card. So the SD card is fixed to the separator. The separator is pulled by the hook. The card is now secured in the device. When it's time to remove the card, simply press the hook. The hook will move along the groove to the other side, so that it doesn't catch on the separator, since the spring is always stretched. When it's not hooked, the separator will be recovered. During the retrieval process, the shrapnel in the groove of the SD card will also move down. The spring ejects the separator and the card. This completes the action of removing the card by pressing it. I have to say that's seemingly two simple actions. The design is really too clever. In fact, there are many products that have a similar structure. Push ballpoint pen is one of them. This mechanism consists of 4 parts. They are the top bar, the turntable slide, and the spring. When pressure is applied to the top bar moves along the groove and forces the turntable downward. When the turntable is disengaged from the grooves, the tip of the top bar in contact with the beveled surface of the turntable, force is generated to force the turntable to rotate, to re-engage the carousel with the groove. When the top bar is pressed again, the above action is repeated. There are 2 states of engagement of the carousel with the slide. This is also known as the retraction and extension of the refill. Do you know of any other products that utilizes a similar mechanical principle?